Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do a van tour. So the front we've just put a bit of paint on. We've got the LEDs, I'll put them on now. Got the LEDs around that bit, that's not standard. Dad's built a box in around that. And some cup holders there. There's going to be some cup holders in that bit as well. He also bought a double seat yesterday from Norfolk. Storage wise, we've got the plates and cup drawer, and down here this is just a random cupboard, so you put your kettle in there, your cleaning products and all kinds in there. He's got the gas storage in there, and under all this is another hatch to put more like a bedding or whatever you else really want in there, your shoes or something. And round the back he's got this bit under the bed. There's quite a lot of storage can go in here, so he's got his basket, his barbecue. You can basically fit everything in here. You don't need any bed or anything because he's got it all on the bed already. So yeah, so that's all storage. And also he's got all his curtains on. He's got curtains at the back now as well, and his worktops all on, and his cooker's in. He's just got a few things now, so he's got all his shelving up there too. He's got all his cups and everything. The bed can actually be a sofa as well, so all you got to do is just pull that down. There is a little strap inside there that you just pull out, and then the bed comes up to about there. So that can be a sofa and bed. And with the ceiling, you can see it's all got wood on it now, so there's no more horrible grey stuff on the top of the ceiling now, so that looks a lot better. Obviously got all the flowers going around. There's some solar powered lights back there, so when it gets dark they come on. And he's got his whole like control system here, so you turn that one on and that one on to turn the light on. Obviously one's going to be for a diesel heater. I'm not sure what the other one's going to be for. There is also another light back here. So that one's just a battery powered one, so when you're in bed or you want to read or whatever else. The laminate flooring is in as well with the mat. And all these skirting boards and little trims around the sides are all on as well. Light was also an issue in the van, so we wanted to add something, so the sunroof was added. The sunroof is off a flat roof. If you want to see how to do it, make sure to check out his channel. Will be in the link in the description. But yeah, let's get on to the outside. If you enjoyed what you saw, be sure to subscribe and like and also share. So yeah, see you in the next one, guys. See you in a bit.